What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back in with another video. Yeah, it's been a while since I dropped a video on the channel, but I'm back. So today we're gonna take a look at the Monster Smart Lighting LED strip. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? There we go. There we go. Monster Smart Lighting. It says it's 16 feet. Here's the back of the box. You can pick this up at Walmart for about $20. But what's special about this video is the fact that it's going on an 85-inch TV. 85 inches. Like, yeah, it's big. It's big. This is going on an 85-inch TV. So stay tuned. Leave a like in the description. I mean, leave a like on the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all know what it is. TechGeek RLD. Y'all gonna learn today. All right. Okay, so for the unboxing experience, yeah, this is it. Let me see if I can open it with one hand because I'm holding my phone. And it looks like it requires tape to be removed and things of that nature. Hold up. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Okay. No knife required. No knife required. Let's get this open. So of course that's the LED strip and nothing else in the box. Let me take a look at this real quick. Warning. Yeah. This is a dangerous product, you guys. So yeah, let me get this unboxed and we'll take a look at it. So this is everything out the box. You got the box, you got the lights itself, you got the instruction manual. You got this here that powers it and things of that nature. And it's powered by USB. So you can plug that to your Xbox or the back of your TV and give it power to the lights and things of that nature. You also got an instruction manual. Little of this, little of that. What else you get? Some advertising, some branding, things of that nature. So put that to the side, and you also get, you know, some screws and things like that. If you need to screw it, I'm not finna screw nothing to my TV. I refuse. I'm not about to screw nothing to my TV, but if you happen to put it on your wall or something like that, or a cabinet in the kitchen, then yeah, these screws will come in handy. But I'm putting this light strip on the back of my TV, and I'll show you guys a video or footage of how it looks like on the TV. So stay tuned. Man, this TV is so big. I couldn't even get the middle area to meet right there. Y'all see that? Like, it goes over there, then it goes over there. Like, this TV is so big. It's so big. Like, I guess I need to get a longer RGB strip, but I mean, it looks good. It looks good how it is. And that's what it on. Power to the Xbox, sending a USB signal to the Xbox. But yeah, I'm gonna take a deep dive on how the RGB strips perform, and I'll come back with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned. And I gotta clean up these cables. Yeah, this is unacceptable. This is, yeah, I don't, y'all see these cables? Yeah, I'm gonna clean all that up. Y'all not gonna see that in the final video, but I'm gonna clean that up. All right, y'all. So this is the only part I don't like is how right there in the middle, it doesn't reach the middle right there. I guess my TV is just too damn big. Too damn big. Look at that. From there to there, it just it just can't reach. It just can't reach, you guys. So I don't know if I need like a longer length or something like that, but yeah, that's the best it's going. That's just it is what it is. That's just what's gonna have to do for now. So other than that though, the design and how the lights go around the TV and the RGB and things of that nature, they did a really good job. But it just my TV is just too damn big. It's too big. So it is what it is. It's your boy TechGeek RLD. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You know my slogan. They gonna learn today.